What is starting fluid? Have you ever found yourself struggling to start your motorcycle on a chilly morning? It can be frustrating when your engine just won't fire up. One tool that might help in these situations is starting fluid. So, what exactly is starting fluid? Starting fluid is a highly flammable chemical mix designed to help start internal combustion engines. It is especially useful in cold conditions or when regular starting methods fail. For motorcycles, starting fluid is often used as a temporary aid for carbureted engines that have trouble igniting. This can happen due to issues with fuel delivery, temperature-related fuel vaporization, or worn components. Most starting fluids contain volatile compounds like diethyl ether. This compound has a very low autoignition temperature, which means it can ignite easily, even in cold engines. Modern starting fluid formulations may also include hydrocarbons like heptane or propane. Some products even have lubricants to help protect the engine's cylinder walls during ignition. Typically, starting fluid is stored in aerosol cans, making it easy to apply directly into the air intake or carburetor. However, it is important to note that starting fluid is not recommended for fuel-injected motorcycles. Using it on these bikes can damage sensitive sensors, injectors, or electronic components. Starting fluid is best suited for older models or carbureted dirt bikes, where you can control the application. When using starting fluid, a quick 1–2 second spray into the air intake while cranking the engine is usually enough. Be careful, as overusing it can lead to engine knock, hydraulic lock, or even piston damage. There are several practical applications for starting fluid in motorcycle maintenance. First, it can help with cold weather starting by vaporizing fuel when temperatures are low. Second, it can serve as a diagnostic tool. If your engine fires briefly with starting fluid but does not continue to run, this suggests a fuel delivery issue, such as clogged jets or a faulty petcock. Lastly, it can be used in emergencies to bypass fuel system problems for short-term operation. While starting fluid can be helpful, there are risks and best practices to keep in mind. Some products include lubricants, but using non-lubricated formulas for an extended period can harm cylinder walls. Additionally, ether fumes can be hazardous if inhaled, so always use starting fluid in well-ventilated areas. Avoid using it on motorcycles with alcohol-based fuels or advanced emission systems, as starting fluid does not provide the necessary lubricity for these setups. In summary, starting fluid is a situational tool for carbureted motorcycles. It is not meant to be a routine solution. Instead, focus on addressing underlying issues like stale fuel, dirty carburetors, or weak spark plugs. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and use starting fluid sparingly to prevent mechanical damage.